For today's video, magluluto tayo ng spaghetti. Nag-bake ako ng spaghetti kaya magluluto tayo. Okay? Ito meron tayong bawang sibuyas dito tapos bawang. Halki. Tapos gagamit tayo ng giniling dito na yung Argentina lang nila.
It's about like 1,000 blocks that way.
That way?
That way.
Oh my for lifesaver! Thank you.
Wait. Is that it? Is that what you
Yeah,
mean?
I mean, listen, but yeah, why did you need me?
Because
The man can't even put me on a piece of glass.
no, I did that on purpose. I'm free down here. He's talking about blocks. How are you?
I'm doing better now, buddy. Now that you're here, I'm doing better.
Really?
Yeah, for sure.
A great day today, right?
Yeah, it's average day today.
No. This is a better than average day. It's a great day. Is it not?
I mean, you might think it's great, but I think most people would say it's average. You know, you might think it's above average day. Is he gone for good, or is he gonna come back?
Okay, great fail the test. Oh my god, you messed.
I can't believe that's all it took to make him leave me alone. That's awesome. I gotta remember that for a couple times in the future if he's bothering me.
No. What do you know? I'll finish it for you. Okay. What do you mean? I'm not you build.
What?
I need a favor from you. You know how today is like, it's a normal day, right? Yeah. Like, it's just any normal day in September, and basically, right, it's getting to, like, it's gonna be October, so you can have
You have strawberries.
Huh?
As of recent, now that it's in season, they're bomb. They're bomb.
Meron tayong sibuyas, bawang, masyado, at saka giniling. Yun lang naman ang isang kapang spaghetti, di ba? Parang may merienda.
No.
Kasi ako pag biglang nagutom, ayun, may makakain ako, di ba? Natin ang pagluluto natin ng simpleng spaghetti.
You don't say it. 3, 2,
Say what? No.
Listen, I don't deceive yourself, okay? I don't know how you did deceive yourself. Congratulations. But look, okay, everyone the badness and the rage, we have one. And we have chicken. At least 2 of them, you see. Everyone, this is why you do this. Oh my god. Now everyone that's on the right is that's the bad people on the left. You know, this is just like you can even have a leg up and they oh my god, you through them. Welcome to the beginning of the guys. I sent a screenshot to my phone of the beautiful final list. This will be sure not working. And he said, are you sure you want me to do this? And he said, I have gone way too far. And I just replied with, yes.
Lalagay ko na yung bawang. Lalagay ko na yung sibuyas para sabay na sila maluto. Kailangan natin lutuin. Ang 4 cubes dyan para malasa na siya. At lagay ko na rin yung hotdog. May pati hotdog tayo. Yan na lang kasi natitira na hotdog. Kaya konti na lang. Tapos, lalagay ko na yung giniling natin. Dami talaga ito. Sana pala yung maliit na lang. Maliit na lang sana yung nilagay. Ang gaynalayan na ang tubig. Lalagyan na natin yung spaghetti sweet and cheesy sauce.
Yes! I was actually saying it again. No, you've done both. There we go.
How far is you been running? Is this the start? Is this still the way from school?
Right? They're probably like, there's nothing in that extra beer, my day, or I should have a muffin.
I'm just doing the
Ilagyan ko pala ng sugar, hindi ko na nabakita. Tapos hintayin na lang natin na kumulo. Ito sabi ko. Basta, hintayin natin kumulo itong sauce. Tapos sunod na natin luto yung noodles para makapag-merienda na tayo. Di ba? Para naman, pag gusto natin ng merienda, i-rep natin. Tapos kukuha tayo dito. At least may makakain tayo, mamakuha tayo. Kuha natin. Sarap na. Sarap na siya. Yummy. Lagay na pala ako ng cheese dyan. Hindi ko na napakita kasi ako lang naman nag-video eh. Nahirapan ako. Siyempre, kailangan natin i-video para may upload tayo. Matagal na kasi akong hindi nag-upload ng video. Kaya ito, kailangan natin mag-upload. Baka na-miss na ako ng YouTube, Facebook, at TikTok. Alam mo naman. Kaya follow na kayo sa aking account. Lagyan natin ng konting ketchup. Yan na yun.
What the? Batman! What? You're alive! I warned you!
Malapit na maluto to. Base natin. Pilit na.
This is something.
Yan. Kulang ng asukal.
What is going on? What did I do?
Dagdag natin ng sugar. Yan.
This has to be done. No way. He's on lighter for this? Lighter's big.
Tapos wasalo na natin.
The house is still there. What do you mean? Get rid of this fire? It's still working. Where do I?
Taste natin, ha?
Just rub my face and it hurt.
Perfect. Sarap. Yummy. Tayo na lang natin siyang kumulo. Tapos, dito na natin yung noodles para makakain na tayo.
It's super weird. Like weird. You don't always weird. This is like super weird. Being super shitty on it. Then Endermen are warning.
Okay na to. Luto na. Okay na, tubig. Maglalagay tayo ng oil. Tsaka salt. Tapos, hintayin natin yung kumulo. Yung tubig. Tapos, lagyan na natin yung noodles. Lagyan na natin yung noodles.
Oh, no, okay. That's it.
Hintayin na lang natin maluto after mga 10 minutes or 15. Pag luto na, malambot na yung noodles. Luto na. Kakain na tayo. Guys, sasalin ko na yung noodles. Guys, spaghetti. Kain na tayo, guys. Kain, guys. Wala. Hi guys. Ubus. Bye.